Jeg er nå fra Tromsø. Dialects in Norwegian language. This is my area. I am from Tromsø, where, here we have the Tromsø dialect. It's really interesting. So I'm just going to start. Jeg is jeg or I, me. So you can say jeg er fra Tromsø or Tromsø. Tromsø, the reason we say Tromsø is ain't none. It's just some dialect rules we have. Then you can say e. E is more or less er. So you can say det er det. Det er det. Which means det er det or it is. Or no. No doesn't really mean anything. We just add it in everything. And so you can say jeg er nå her. Which doesn't, it just mean I am now here. Or jeg er nå her. So it's just a Tromsø thing, basically. I don't know what else to say. So I'm really excited about this, and I'll see you inside in the next video. So vi ses, vi snakkes. Ha det. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Velkommen tilbake. I'm just going to continue. So who? Who is hun or she? So I can say hun dama der, hun er fin. Hun dama der, hun er fin. That woman over there, she is pretty. So you can use that. Or ikke. Ikke is, for example, it means ikke. Then you can say, jeg har ikke noe penger. And that comes to the other one, which is noe. Jeg har ikke noe penger. Jeg har ikke noen penger. You see, I sound so pretty when I speak bokmål. Which means I have no money. Which is quite common for young people. Another one is deg sjøl. So you can say, which means deg selv. Any selv is sjøl. So, du bør passe på deg sjøl. Du bør passe på deg selv. Or you better watch yourself. Yes. Another one is seg sjøl, which means seg selv. Hun ser seg selv i speilet. Hun ser seg selv i speilet. She is looking at herself in the mirror. Or meg selv. So, meg selv or myself. Which is, an example is, jeg liker å ta på meg selv voks. Jeg liker å ta på meg selv voks. Which is, I like to put on myself some hair gel. Okay, dere. So that means dere. That I can say, dere bør ikke komme på festen. Dere bør ikke komme på festen. You better not come to the party. And yeah, it's a bit weird talking about this. I mean, this is my area. I am from Tromsø, but I never teach this to people, so it's pretty cool. I hope you like this. Anyways, ete. Ete is spise. So you can say, vi må ete opp pizzaen. Vi må spise opp pizzaen. Or, we have to eat up the pizza. Hvorfor? Hvorfor means hvorfor. So why? So you can say, hvorfor må det være så mange måker her ute? Hvorfor må det være så mange måker her ute? Why does there have to be so many seagulls here outside? Good questions. Good question. I hate seagulls. They suck. Moving on. Ka. Ka is va. So normally any v, which is va, hvor, hvilken. We say hvordan for hvilken, and ka for va, and hvor for hvor. So, ka. I can say, hva gjør du i morgen? Hva gjør du i morgen? Or, what are you doing tomorrow? If you're asking a girl out on a date, this might be the case. Then I told you about hvordan, and I now want to cover hvit. Hvit is actually when you have hvit, and you add the hvit. Same goes for kval. You add, it's kind of like saying val. Or kval. Val, kval. Kval is from Tromsø dialect. So that means whale. Hvit means wheat or white. So you can say det der en hvit hval. Det der en hvit hval. That is a white whale. I don't think I've seen that ever, but it would be great seeing one, right? Anyways. Good. Thank you for watching. Takk for at du så på. I mean, this was kind of personal for me, so I thought it was pretty funny. I hope you liked this. Please tell me if you want more of these dialects videos. And thank you for watching, of course. And vi ses senere. I see you later.